Hey, this is Eric at One Rig Design. This video we're going to dive into the install of the One Rig ice scratcher on a Polaris RMK. This will be the same install for RMK's Axis chassis and Matrix chassis. All your track lengths, 155, 160 and up. And it's basically a bolt-on replacement, an upgrade for the factory ice scratchers. So we're going to use the same hole up front that the factory ice scratcher uses, but we do have a much better storage hook, and obviously the scratcher is better. It's reversible, replaceable tip, stronger connection design. It'll definitely treat you better. So let's dive into it. So first thing you got to do is obviously take off the ice scratcher from factory if you haven't already, and we'll be using that same hole here. So in your box, you're obviously going to have your ice scratcher. You'll have your scratcher mounting hardware, and then you'll have your bracket. So the big one here is going to be the storage hook bracket. It goes on the inside of the rail. The smaller bracket with the two holes on it that aligns with the big bracket, that's for your storage also. That's going to go on the outside of your rail. We'll do that second. And then this bracket here that says One Rig on it and has this swooshing machined groove, that's going to be for your ice scratcher. So first thing we can do is take your scratcher bolt. You're going to have your bolt, one washer, and your retaining plug. Assemble it just like that. Then you can take your ice scratcher and drop this right in. The retaining plug is tapered to seat in this tapered cone. Drop that in. Then you can go ahead and put the bolt in the big hole in the mounting bracket, and you'll align the scratcher, the short leg of the scratcher, with that swoop, and it goes together just like that. Then you can take it and put it on your rail. Then take the 5/16 washer and the 5/16 lock nut. Start it by hand on the back side. Next, you'll use your box wrench on the back, impact on the front. And we're going to snug that down until it's firmly seated. So I can grab that ice scratcher, shake the whole sled, and the threads of the bolt are sticking through the nylon lock nut on the back side. And there's your ice scratcher installed. And this one looks good here. The scratcher legs pointing straight down. Anywhere in this range here, from straight down perpendicular to the track to like 30 degrees back, is where you want it. They'll have a little bit of variation just in the forming of the springs. And again, make sure you can go both ways, forward and reverse. Then we will take our storage bracket, take the big bracket, and you're going to put that on the inside of the rail. You're going to bridge these two slots. So that little web is going to go between these two smaller holes. So just stick that on the inside like that. Then take your thinner one's going to go on the outside, and the remaining bolts in the kit are going to go through the outside bracket. Slide them in just like that. Take your nuts and start the threads by hand. Then we can take our impact and tighten both of those down. Next, take our hook. So you'll have your hook, and it's going to come with there'll be a couple of 5/16 stainless jam nuts and a split tooth lock washer. So go ahead and put that jam nut on the hook, wind it all the way on, put your lock washer on there. Then you can thread that in to the upper hole in the storage bracket. Thread it in as far as it'll go by hand. And then we'll back it off so it's straight up and down. Then you'll take, it's helpful to have a pair of channel locks or pliers to grab that hook. And let's take our box wrench and tighten that nut as firm as we can get it. Like that. And last thing you're going to need to do is install the replaceable tip. So you can thread on, there's going to be your tip and two nuts. One's a lock nut, one's just a regular nut. Put the regular nut on first. Line that on, throw your tip on, then take that nylon lock nut and put that on the bottom. And blue Loctite is good here. Then you'll take 8mm wrench, and you're just going to wind that lock nut on so that the threads of the scratcher are sticking through the end of the nut. And you might have to put the jam nut or the regular nut up a little bit higher to have enough threads. So we'll loosen that a little bit. Give that another turn. All right, threads are through. Then you're going to take your tip and one of the cutting edges, one of the points, you're going to want to be pointing straight forward into the ground. So that way when you're scratching, that point's digging. 1/2-inch wrench, hold that in place. 8mm on top, and we'll snug down the top nut here. Again, blue Loctite is your friend. All right, got that nice and snug. And then you can go ahead and test your storage. And just like that, you have your ice scratcher installed on your RMK. Very excited to get this kit rolled out of here. It'll be a good upgrade for your RMK guys. Polaris's hook from factory is basically not a hook. Doesn't really do you much good. I'm sure you guys already know that. So we designed that storage bracket to be robust and rugged, take some abuse, put it on the inside of the rail to keep that hook as far away from your track in the snow as possible. So if you're side hilling, you get a little bit of flex in that rubber track edge. You're not going to be hitting your hook. If you installed your hook down here, you can get some rubbage. So yeah, we're happy to roll out this kit and excited to get it on the snow. And if you have any questions on the install, just reach out and give us a shout.